Fix world famous chicken in the cooler coming at you with another great video. Today we're having wagyu steak grilled pork chop tacos. I say again, wagyu steak grilled pork chop tacos coming up.
All right, looks like got some pretty thick pork chops in here. I'm gonna cook these on the kettle, direct heat. Nothing better than direct heat. Straight grilling, direct heat. And then I've got this nice cut wagyu style fajita beef. Look at that fat cap. I'm not gonna trim any of that because that also is going on direct heat. Both of them. On that wagyu beef, I'm gonna hit it with that Brazilian steak blend because we're all gonna put them in tacos, and then Texas style barbecue on those pork chops. So while I'm seasoning this, look, I got a couple events coming up. I will be in Colorado for motorcycle racing, run to the Rockies, August 21st and 22nd. Then the following weekend, I will be here in Houston, Texas at Wheels of Soul anniversary. And then in September, I can't remember those dates right now. I will be in Bentonville, Arkansas for Ladies in Leather motorcycle rally. Make sure you come out and check, buy you some food, get you some good to eat, have a time. Not even cooked yet, and I'm ready to dig in. Going to the pit.
Folks, looks like these steaks are done, but these pork chops still soaking up that smoky heat. I got to get that golden crust, fat melting, that flavor's right there on those pork chops, almost ready. Flipping them. Look at the grill marks on there. Wonderful looking pork chop. Now, let's slice into this fajita steak. Juicy, tender, no knife fight here. Just super flavorful, beautiful fajita steak. Just unbelievable. I wish you guys could taste it, smell it, everything. I done sped it up so you guys ain't got to watch the whole thing. But it is going to be unbelievable.
That's all she wrote, folks.
Pork chops are done. Look at the color on that pork chop. Man, I want to bite it right now if I wouldn't burn my mouth off. Char marks. And my woo. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Like butter. Like butter. Wanna try it? Let's try it again. Like butter. That fat. A good pork chop. A little guacamole. Yeah, spread that guacamole across there like that. A little guacamole. Bam. Mixed cheese. A little.
You sent me a message about Carson's dentist appointment. You made it on the 14th?
I don't know. Whatever she told me. I don't know.
It's your last night.
One taco for you guys. Fajita steak, pork chop, cheese, guacamole, salsa, and sour cream. For me, none for you. That's a good taco, people. Like, comment, subscribe. And you too can eat tacos like this. Or shoot me a DM. I may come cook it at your house. For a small fee of $1 million. See y'all. Wait, one more time.